It's been ages, man. What have you been up to?
Trying to keep my head above water. You know how it is. Just enough for survival these days.
What's going on? I thought your family was, well, affluent.
Yeah, once upon a time. But you know how things can change. We lost a lot after my dad's business went under. Now it's a fight just to make ends meet.
Wow, I didn't realize things had gotten that bad.
Yeah, and to top it off, my cousin Sarah from the well-off side of the family, she's always rubbing it in my face. She acts like she's better than me because she's still living the high life.
That's rough. But why the grudge?
You know how some people are. Sarah thinks money defines who you are. She's constantly looking down on me like I'm beneath her just because things aren't what they used to be.
That's tough. People don't realize that money comes and goes.
Exactly. She forgets we're all cut from the same cloth. But you know what they say? Blood is thicker than water, though it doesn't seem to apply to her.
It's sad when family holds grudges over stuff like this. Have you tried patching things up?
I've tried, but you know what they say. A leopard can't change its spots. She's always been like this, even when things were good for us. Now that we're struggling, she's 10 times worse.
Still, it can't be easy dealing with that and the financial stress.
It's not, but I'm staying hopeful. My dad always told me, there's always light at the end of the tunnel. I'm just waiting for mine to appear.
You'll get there. You've always been a fighter, Arslan. Besides, you're still standing and that's something. Most people would have given up the ghost by now.
Thanks, man. I try. It's been tough, though. My pride has taken a hit, especially being from what was once an affluent family. Now I'm just getting by, and Sarah won't let me forget it.
You know, they say money can't buy happiness, but it sure makes life easier. Maybe Sarah's got her own issues, and she's taking them out on you.
Maybe, but I doubt it. She's too focused on the material stuff. Always showing off her new car, fancy vacations. It's like she gets a kick out of watching me struggle.
That's rough. But at the end of the day, Arslan, what goes around, comes around. Don't let her get to you.
I know, I'm trying to rise above it, but it's hard when it's family. But you're right. You reap what you sow. One day, maybe she'll understand.
Hey guys, what are you talking about?
Just life. How some of us are barely scraping by while others have it easy.
If that's a dig at me, Arslan, you know it's not my fault things went south for your family.
Never said it was. But you sure don't hesitate to remind me of how well off you are.
I'm not rubbing anything in. I'm just living my life.
Living your life? You act like you're better than me just because you still have money.
That's not true, Arslan, and you know it. You're just holding a grudge because things didn't turn out how you wanted.
Guys, maybe we should all take a step back. Holding on to grudges is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. It's not worth it.
You're right, Raza. I'm tired of this back and forth. But Sarah, you need to understand how your words affect people.
I didn't mean to make you feel that way. Maybe I've been a bit too wrapped up in my own world to see things from your side.
I appreciate that. It's just been hard, and I could use support from family instead of feeling judged.
I get that. Maybe we both need to let go of the past and move forward.
See? That wasn't so hard. The best time to mend a fence is when it's small.
Thanks, Raza. You always know how to step in at the right moment.
Yeah, thanks. Maybe this is the start of a better chapter for all of us.
I hope so. It's time to bury the hatchet.
Now you're talking. Let's toast to brighter days ahead.